New router jig video? Don't mind if I do. This is your first time here for tips and tricks, how-tos, tool reviews, projects, or just because you want to be a better maker. Start right now by subscribing and clicking that bell icon so you won't miss anything. Let's crack on. So yeah, if you've watched the video about direction of cut, you would have seen me spend about half an hour in an edited video explaining why you go anti-clockwise around the outside of the work. And that's absolutely true. So it is perfectly safe, but what you've got to do is do light cuts, very light cuts. Sometimes I'll do it as a final pass when I've done a conventional cut. And I haven't sorted out the locking mechanism. I'm not sure whether I'm going to have like flip out arms or some kind of metal stays that will go down probably into these holes or somewhere into the framework, but that's for another day. It's there and it can be used as is and then expanded. One thing you didn't see me route was the little trough, and although this was never meant to be like a substitute for an MFT table, the holes are really useful. The drawback obviously is it does let some sawdust and waste through the holes, but definitely useful as is. And if you've seen in previous videos, using those holes for dogs for just small jobs to the block plane is absolutely brilliant. All in, I love it. The jig's fantastic and it is perfectly square as well.